So in this video, I'm going to enable some task as we can see on our appliance basically. So my appliance is okay and it is working fine. So the settings are okay. And if you see appliance access, everything is good basically. So there is no problem with my appliance. Everything is basically green and there's no problem. And it is showing gateway is not pingable. That we can ignore. That's not a problem because that is a orange alert basically. Now what we can do here basically, so we will go to our portal, and here if I go to network and app synthesis and agent setting, here we can see our enterprise agent which we have deployed on our Hyper-V. It is good, working fine without any problems. And now we go here and we will perform some test. So many tests we can perform. If I click on add new test, then agent to server, page load, HTTP, DNS, agent to agent, transaction, DNSSEC, SIP server, FTP server, RTP stream, and that is basically real-time data, basically voice for voice basically, and DNS trace. Lot more thing we can do, but let us do a very small testing. So I want to test a URL basically. So https colon whack whack www dot google.com. I want to perform this test basically, and this is test name. This is optional. You can give any name. I'm removing this, or you can I am doing Google test, GOOGLE Google test basically I'm giving. And how often you can run this test, you can set. I am doing 2 minutes, you can change it 10 minutes, whatever you want. It depends on the licensing thing. And if you click on select agents, then from where we want to test. So in India, the city is not specified basically. We can start my test from my 1000 IVA, which we have recently deployed. So from here I am going to do my test, and I'm hitting on close. So it is selected, and you can also see that which rule will be basically, and these alerts basically we can also create our own alert. And we also want the routing data, BGP data as well. So these alerts we want to configure here. And what more thing there, we can also go for bandwidth as well. A small number of additional packet are generated, it is giving some warning, so you can accept it. So rest of the data we can keep it there. TCP is good instead of ICMP. IPv6 we can leave it. We are not using any proxy, and also there's no client certificate requirement. So these are some basic test we are doing here. And afterwards, let me see, URL is okay. Yes, URL is okay. Google.com and Google test. And first of all, let me deploy it. So test has been deployed, so it should come right now. So I'm pausing the screen. When it will come, I will come back. So this test has been, you can see, you will be able to see this test. And if you want to give any label to the test, you can give a label. I'm not giving any label. And this is your credential repository, so we don't need this. And click on test, and afterwards this is my Google test. So we can select it, and now we need to enable it basically. So let me enable it. Okay, zero item setup to enable. I have selected it and enable. Basically it is already enabled. So this is my test. And also we want to do some insta test. Let us do some insta test, so that it will run right now and it will give us the results. So as you can see, it is running and it is doing insta test. So let us wait for a while. I will come back when some data will be collected. So now we have got some data, and this is the test which is basically performed. So as you can see, my availability is almost 100% without any problem. And also it is getting from here. So 1000 I, it is here and it is performing the test. If I click view path, then we should be able to do the path. This is my 1000 I agent. Now it is hitting this IP, then this IP, and it is going outside, and now it is reaching to your google.com. So this is the path what we can see, path visualization. And also if we go on map, so we should be able to see the map that latency is this, jitter is this, and availability bandwidth is this. So bandwidth is 7.8 mbps and capacity is good. So this thing basically we can see, and in table format we will also able to see that we are connecting to this IP. So these are something we can check here. So agent to server and also HTTP server details we can get. So in this way we can add a test and also check that what are the problems in between. And also there are many more options basically. Okay, we can click on run again, open in a new tab, a lot more thing there. And also in the snapshot option we can click on view all snapshot, so you will be able to see if there is any snapshot. Right now there's no snapshot. So these are the some option which has been defined here. The important thing is your map. Okay, so and here you can see, and also if you click on table, then you will be able to see that how it is working, and also here the how data is going. Here I want to tell you some interesting thing, and which will be I think important. So the thing I want to show you that, for example, I have taken this IP and I have put this IP in BGP looking glass. Then if I search there, then we can able to see that we are getting Google access from this AS number 15169. If I click on here, so we will get more details about that how we are getting the data basically. So this AS number we are getting, and this here are the prefix basically. And also we are this prefix is registered to Google as well, and from this AS number we are getting this data. And these are basically matching delegation. If I click on this AS number, and which belongs to Google, then we will get more details that how we are getting the data and how BGP are basically working, which prefix are originated. And so these all details we will get from our BGP looking glass. And these are the ASN number you can see here, which we are crossing to reach the Google. So these are some details we will able to find on this BGP looking glass with the help of IP basically. And also if you see from here and BGP looking glass, we have already seen that we are passing this AS number and we are connecting with this AS number. And if I go back, then here we are connecting basically, and you will be able to see the path as well, that how we are going here. So on this location Google, the AS number is 15169. You are able to see that AS number is matching 15169, and how it is tracking the path. That for example, how data is going from Philippines, UK, and other countries, and Dubai, Bangkok, Hong Kong. So this BGP path you will be able to see. And we are in Delhi, and how we are going basically. First of all, from Delhi we are going here. So this is your the Constant Company LLC. So this is some private US company, and from here we are going. We have two paths. First path is this one, and second path is this one. It depends on now. This path is India, so we are going via Airtel Bharti. As you can see, this is Bharti Airtel, and from Bharti Airtel we are going to Google and we are connecting. So in this way, you will be able to see the whole BGP path, that how we are going from source to destination. Also we can clear the alert as well, create the alert. For example, we can go to alert rules, and after alert rules there are many alerts we can create. Add a new alert, and you can give the name, for example Google alert you can give. And these are something info monitor. So severity you can set basically, what severity you want to set and which condition you want to match. That total wait time is increased from something, for example total wait time, you want to create on total wait time, you can create the alert on basis of total wait time. Or you can also do the error, that what error is present. So on many basis you can basically create the alert, and where the alert should go. So if we go here, the notification, you can send email, you can send webhook, and you can do the integrations as well. So there are many integrations you can do. So if you click on manage integrations, the new page will open, and you can do many integrations For example, we click on new integration. Now you can do integration with App Dynamics, Slacks, and if ServiceNow, even you can do integration with ServiceNow as well. For example, any alert come, so simply hit ServiceNow and create a ticket for you. So these kind of thing can be done in the name of alerting.